Good morning, student. Good morning, student. I am your English teacher, Durgi. Now, from today, I am going to start the literature part of English. Okay. Now, this is your first poem of literature. First, I will read the poem for you. So, please listen very carefully and then I will explain the poem. Okay, I will explain the poem stanza wise. The first stanza of this poem is: wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. The birds are singing in the trees, and you can hear the buzzing bees. Now, the meaning of this stanza is: in this stanza, the poet is asking the children to wake up and enjoy the beautiful day. They must get up and go out to play. The sound of birds chirping on the trees and bees buzzing in the gardens can be heard. Now, the second stanza of your poem is: wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. It's much too late to lie in bed. So, hurry up, you sleepy head. Now, the explanation of second stanza. Here again, the poet is asking the lazy children to get up and go out to play. The importance of time is also shown as the poet says that it is too late to sleep now. The sleepy children have to be punctual and must wake up. My dear student, punctuality is a very important good habit. Okay. Now, third stanza. Wash and dress and come on out. Everyone is up and about. The cow, the horses, the ducks, and the sheep. The tiniest chicken, chip, 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 wake up. Now this is your third stanza. C. Fletcher is the poet of this poem. Now the meaning of this third stanza is: in this stanza, the poet is asking the children to get ready for the day. Have breakfast as all other creatures like cows, horses, ducks, sheep, and the tiny chicken are awake too. Here, a similarity can be drawn between the chicken and the rooster, whose crowing sound is considered to be a natural alarm. Now, I will tell you about your notebook. Now, this is your notebook. English literature notebook. You have to make your English literature notebook this type, Hindi notebook. Okay, don't write your literature work in 4-line notebook. You have to start with your unit. It is your first unit. Unit first, poem, wake up, and lesson is Neha's alarm clock. You have to write the name of poem, wake up. And one more thing, student, you have to mention the date and day. In this side date and this side day. Okay. And name here poem, wake up. Then contains. Contains means what work you are going to do in this poem. You have to write here. First is difficult words, then word meaning, question answer, and you have to do make sentences in this poem. Okay. Now after this you have to write the difficult words. These are your difficult words: about, buzzing, chicken, hurry, lovely, sleepy, tiniest. Dear student, please pay attention towards my writing. Here you can see I start all these difficult words with a small letter. Okay, you have to start your all difficult words like me with a small letter. Don't use capital letter. After it, in next page you have to do word meaning. And word meaning you have to start with same difficult words, means with small letters. Okay, don't forget it. You start your word meaning and difficult words with small letter. Don't use capital letter. I will read it for you. Your first word is about. About means on the subject of. Buzzing. Buzzing means sound of a bee. Next, chicken. Chicken, young one. Hurry. Hurry means do things more quickly than normal. Next, lovely. Very beautiful or attractive. Now, tiniest. Tiniest means very small. Okay. Now you have to do your all work in neat and clean handwriting. And if you like to decorate your notebook, you can decorate your notebook like me. Okay. Now thank you, student.